I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw coloring book pages. Let's begin by gathering your basic art supplies. You will need some plain paper, a graphite pencil, and a good eraser. Next, select a straightforward subject for your design, perhaps a flower or a simple animal. Before you start your main drawing, spend a few minutes practicing basic shapes like circles and squares, and drawing straight and curved lines. This helps warm up your hand and builds confidence for your main sketch. Now let's move on to outlining your design. Start by sketching your chosen subject very lightly onto your paper using your pencil. Don't press too hard, as these lines will be erased later. Once you are happy with your pencil sketch, carefully trace over all your lines using a fine-tip black pen. A pen with a point size of 0.3 or 0.5 millimeters works wonderfully. After the main outline is complete, add some simple, clear details and patterns inside your drawing, keeping them easy to color. To make your coloring page more engaging, consider adding texture and patterns. You can incorporate repetitive elements such as small dots, parallel stripes, or gentle swirls within different sections of your drawing. Experiment with varying the thickness of your lines. For example, use a slightly thicker pen for main outlines and a thinner one for internal details. This adds visual interest and a sense of depth. Most importantly, ensure all your lines are completely closed, forming distinct sections, to prevent colors from bleeding outside their intended areas when someone colors the page. Finally, it's time to finalize your coloring page. Once your ink is completely dry, carefully erase all the underlying pencil marks. Take your time to avoid smudging the ink. Before declaring it finished, you might want to test your design by coloring a small, inconspicuous section to ensure the lines hold up well. With your masterpiece complete, you can now make multiple copies using a printer or scanner. This allows for endless coloring fun and gives you many opportunities to share your creative work with others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.